Want to boost your daily protein intake without relying on meat or powders? These 4 protein-rich nuts are your secret weapon. In this video, we'll reveal which nuts pack the most protein, how to add them to your daily routine, and some easy, delicious recipes you can try today. First up, peanuts, the king of protein. With around 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, they're technically legumes, but nutritionally, they behave like nuts. Easy recipe. Mix peanut butter, oats, honey, and chia seeds. Roll into bite-sized balls and chill. Your no-bake protein snack is ready. Next, almonds, crunchy, satisfying, and packed with 21 grams of protein per 100 grams. They're perfect for your morning toast as almond butter tossed into salads or eaten raw. Easy recipe. Try this. Toss greens, carrots, grilled chicken, and crushed almonds together. Add a lemon olive oil dressing for a protein-rich crunch. Pistachios bring 20 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus fiber and antioxidants. Snack on them solo, stir them into yogurt, or blend them into sauces. Easy recipe. Make a pistachio parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, berries, honey, and crushed pistachios. It's a quick, protein-packed breakfast or dessert. Last but not least, walnuts. They offer 15 grams of protein per 100 grams and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids for brain and heart health. Add them to banana bread, mix into granola, or sprinkle over roasted veggies. Easy recipe. Bake a quick walnut banana bread. Mash ripe bananas. Mix with flour, chopped walnuts, and a pinch of cinnamon. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Let's recap. Peanuts, almonds, pistachios, and walnuts. 4 high-protein nuts that are easy to enjoy daily. Which one will you add to your diet this week? Comment below. Hit like if you learned something new. And subscribe for more easy health tips.